Hello, today I'll show you how to change keyboard and mouse settings in Wukong the Black Myth. First, open the main menu by pressing the escape button. Then go to the settings. In the settings, navigate to the keyboard and mouse section. Right in this section, you can see the layout of the default keys right here. But you can of course always customize the controls. Right here you can change the keybinds for every single action you have. As you can see, this is mainly for movement section, and this is a combat section. As you can see, there are even things that I have not unlocked yet. Right here. After you're done customizing your keybinds, simply press escape to back out. You can always return by pressing escape once again, or the right mouse button. But if the choices you made don't suit you, you can always reset the settings for this page by pressing R. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.